Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Crochet tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you the crochet for absolute beginners and also tell you about all the mistakes that come during the crocheting and also tell you about all the skills that is going to use in this crocheting. So first of all, I am going to tell you about all the material. This one is the yarn, this one is the scissor, this is the crochet hook of 2 millimeter. This is the stitch marker and this is the needle. These tools are optional in today's video. Next, I am going to tell you how to grasp the crochet hooks in your hand. There are two methods for holding the crochet hooks. First one is the pencil method. Pencil method is like that. You have to grasp the crochet hooks in your hand like this, between your finger and the thumb. The position is like that. You can write anything like that. And second method is the knife method. In this method, the position is changed. Look at this. This is the knife method. The finger and the thumb is same, but the position of the grasping the crochet is the different. So let's get started. Beginning with how to make a slip knot like this. You have to make the loop like this. Insert the crochet hook into this. Keep parallel and then yarn over into loop like this. This is a slip knot. Look at this again. I wrap the yarn on my finger and then make a loop from my hand like this. Insert the crochet hook into this and then yarn over. This is the slip knot. So again, keep the crochet hooks and the yarn parallel, then cross, yarn over into loop. Then keep parallel, cross, and then yarn over into loop. Keeps parallel, yarn over into loop. Keeps parallel and then yarn over into loop. Keeps parallel and then yarn over. Yarn over means that the crochet hook is below and the yarn is over. So we say yarn over. Again yarn over. The many mistakes that is done by the absolute beginner is that they may tie this hook too much, so it is very difficult to pass the yarn into this like this. And second mistake is that they lose this hook, then it is very difficult to pass. Look at this thing. This is very strange hook. So again, keep in moderation. Again, yarn over into loop. Again, yarn over into loop. Again, yarn over, yarn over, yarn over. It is up to you that whatever the chain of the length you wanted. So I continue it. Again, yarn over, yarn over. Again, yarn over, yarn over. If you wanted to cut the chain, then look at this. You have to cut the yarn, keeping the hook in the yarn like this, and you have to draw the yarn. Look at this. This is the close end. Hope this will be helpful for you. So stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.